Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to right click on Lenovo Yoga Book 9. Since this laptop doesn't have a touchpad, because it's a touch laptop with both screens, with two screens both being touch displays, in order to right click you just need to press and hold. This is the simplest way. You need to press and hold for long enough that it shows a square. When it shows a square, you can release. And now it was a right click, because otherwise it displays a circle. So when there's a square, that's a right click. So we can do that anywhere. Also, you can enable the touchpad and do it with the touchpad. So as you click on this bottom screen with 8 fingers, it'll enable the keyboard and touchpad, or with 3 fingers it'll enable the touchpad, and here is the right mouse button. So as I position the cursor here, I can do right mouse button. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.